They used to come and have one beer, and then after this project, now they have 2 beers. So there was a increase in revenue due to creating a more comfortable environment. We have a collaborative effort to go through and retrofit existing terminal glass without having to install blinds and window treatments. This will all be done through this intelligent glass technology. So this technology prevents both heat and glare from transmitting through the glass. Based on wide-scale deployment, we can improve energy efficiency of the terminal space. We apply a low voltage charge, very minimal energy use to the glass, and that electric current actually tints the glass. We have a really beautiful space here at Terminal D and was being severely impacted in the summer due to heat and sun coming into the space, and was actually damaging the chocolates and the labels on the products that are in the space. The work we did at Twisted Root, it actually drove sales. So there was a increase in revenue due to creating a more comfortable environment. So whether you're at a restaurant dining, whether you're at a shopping experience at duty free here at Terminal D, we're going to create more comfortable spaces.